everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So I vlogged a bit yesterday. It was basically just an assortment of time lapses because oh my god, yesterday I was literally bedbound. I'm not even joking. I have had to start new anemia tablets because I'm even more anemic than I was before, apparently. Basically, I went to the doctors and I'd gone in 2015 and my iron levels were like, I think it was 9.7 or something. Anyway, they said that was way too low. And then they went down a bit more and they rang my mum and they were like, shit, is she a cancer patient? And my mum was like, no. Yeah, basically. So I went on iron tablets, I changed my diet, I became a pescatarian to try and get iron in my thing a lot more. At that time I wasn't eating properly, now I do. I went to the doctors on Monday because I had to have a blood test last week, which, FYI, I hate blood tests. I'm so squeamish, like, I'm just so squeamish about veins. Ugh, get them away. Like, you know when they're like prodding your arm, they're like, well, which one should I... No, I hate them. But yeah, I went to the doctors because apparently I got a letter saying that I really needed to go. Went and my iron levels have gone down to 8, which is worrying because they're supposed to be between like 13.5 and 15.5 and mine are at an 8, which is not good at all. So I had to go on iron tablets, even though I said I really did not get on with them last time. I'm very medication sensitive and I just really didn't get on with them. But he said there was kind of no other option at this stage, we just needed to get iron in me, basically. So I went on them, and yesterday, this is the only thing I can think it can be, I was literally asleep for how many hours? Yesterday, including, I slept 10 hours last night, which I don't normally do, I normally sleep about 7, and I also slept like constantly during the day, so I don't know what the hell was going on there, and the only thing I can put it down to is taking these new iron tablets. They just made me so lethargic, like to the point where I couldn't move. I got up and I was fine, and I did all my makeup and that, and I was like, oh shit, I haven't taken my tablet yet. Took it and I couldn't do anything after that. Pip came around and I literally just slept. We were watching Harry Potter and I just slept. So I haven't taken it this morning because I literally have a driving lesson in 4 minutes. So he's gonna come any minute soon and I just need to get my shoes on, and then yeah, after that today I have a psychiatrist appointment and I really need to go and find Pip's present, like get Pip's presents. I think that's what I'm gonna do today. But yeah, on that note, I need to go and get my shoes on. What's the matter? What's the matter? Yes. Yes, it's okay. You know that I'm going out. I'll be back in an hour. This will have been... Oh, you want to say hi? This is like my 7th driving lesson, and so far I'm really enjoying it. I'm just checking that he's not here. I'm really enjoying it. I think it's going well. I'm doing better than I thought I would, because I didn't think I'd be much of a good driver, but apparently I'm not too shabby, which is good. So yeah, I'm just ready for that. I'm happy I haven't taken my iron today because fucking hell, I would have died. But I need to get my shoes on now and I shall speak to you later. Say bye, Alp. Say goodbye. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Okay, so I'm just back from my appointment now, and where did I put that letter thing? We've missed a package and I think it's my Amazon one. Where did I put it? Basically we missed it. And it's at someone else's house. I don't know where I put it. Oh, why did I stick it up here? That was weird. I think I stuck up the wrong thing. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my package. It's at number 10. Where's number 10? I think it's across the road. Okay, I'll be 2 minutes. Okay, so I got my parcel. So kind of forgot what it is, if I'm honest. I should be good at opening boxes like this because that's all I did at work. I used to anyway. Oh yeah, I remember. The first thing I got is a book, and this is called A Little Life by Hani Yanagihara. I was really intrigued about reading this because I'd heard very mixed reviews, so I really wanted to read this. I'm literally seconds away from finishing my other book, which I'm going to finish now. I got something like this. It's part of Pip's present. So, any guesses? Who knows? Albie, give me that here. Come here. Little shit. Oh, no, well done. You did as I said. You did as I said. Thank you for all your kisses. Thank you for your constant love. I love you forever. Ever. He says thank you. Thank you. At the camera. I'm gonna say hey. Hey. Hey bitches. Hey sisters. Just want your belly rubbed for eternity. Thank you. Babe. What the fuck are you doing? Dogs.
I'll keep you safe in this heart tonight. Hold on to me, baby. I'll keep you safe in this heart tonight. Hold on to me, baby.
So just went to my outpatient appointment with Dad. Thanks for taking me, Dad.
Oh, you're welcome.
It went really well, which was nice, and he's adjusted my meds, which was good. So yeah, it was just really positive. We went to see him in 2015, didn't we?
Yeah.
2015
yeah.
and...
Yeah. Or 16.
Yeah, 2016, yeah.
2016.
And it was... Yeah, he still remembers, basically, and it was really nice to see him because he's a really nice guy. But now I'm gonna go to the train station because I have to get Pip a present for her birthday, and I figured that I'm probably not going to have a time other than today in the next week to go and pick up what I want to get her, so just going to head that way now. I'm in a good mood, so I thought it would be a good time to go. But yeah, that's about it. Is my camera just got awful lighting? Like, what is this? Okay, so it seems that my brightness doesn't want to fix up. Like, to me this looks really dark. But I just got back from Birmingham. I'm really sorry that I didn't vlog when I was there. I literally was just like getting all my stuff that I wanted to get. But I'm going to show you what I bought because I won't be doing a haul because it's really weird. Like, some of the stuff I can't show you because it's for like presents, etc. But yeah, so where should I start? Okay, so I went to Selfridges. I just got some stuff from Paper Chase. So I got a handmade Indian paper writing set, which I just thought was so gorgeous. Like, look at that. Look at that orange. That is so beautiful. So I really want to just, you know, write. I bought, what is this? 10 motivational cards with gold pegs, which is also really cute. So yeah, they're both adorable. We don't have a Paper Chase where I live. We only have it in Birmingham. So yeah, I was lapping that up along with John Lewis. We don't have a John Lewis. I don't think I've ever, bearing in mind I'm 20, don't think I've ever been into John Lewis ever, because we don't have one in the city where I live. So I went in and I was like, oh my god, this is like heaven. And I was putting on all my posh, no I wasn't. I was just like looking at everything. I was like, I'm so jealous. Like, we have a Debenhams but not a John Lewis, and I think I want a Johnny Lou in my city, you know. Johnny Lou, that just shows why I don't deserve, you know, a John Lewis where I live. But yeah, love them. Then I also went into Kiko and I bought 4 things. So the first thing I bought was just this little nail varnish. Look how gorgeous that shade is. It's like a bronzy colour. Yeah, sorry, I saw I saw Sophia and Cinzia, and they are my favourite, and Sophia always wears this like bronzy colour, and I wanted some of that, so I bought that. I also bought 2 lip glosses, again, inspired by Sophia and Cinzia. I bought this Hydro Gloss one, and this is kind of like a top coat. So I've swatched it here, and it's like gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I got that one, and that's in the shade 17. And I also bought this other one. Who's barking? This is in the shade 20. I got a big tub of this Body Shop Satsuma moisturiser. I actually just can't deal. It smells incredible, and I can't wait to just lather myself in it. And finally, the most impressive thing, even the smell of it. Oh, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which I'm so happy about. Oh shit. And then she smashes it. So I plucked up the courage and spent way too much money on a foundation. Yeah. But yeah, I've just really wanted this for ages. Mine's in the shade 3.5. And I don't know, when I was testing them out, I was steering more towards the 5, but she tested them on me, and 3.5 seemed to do the job, so that's what we're gonna stick with. And yeah, I'm just really, really happy about it. Giorgio Armani dance, Giorgio Armani dance. That's so cringy. So that's everything that I spent way too much money on. But for now, what time is it? I think it's around 6. I think I might film a nighttime routine tonight. But I've also, like, I want to sort out my makeup a bit. Like, just getting new makeup, just inspire you to clean out all your old makeup, because it does me. And also Caitlin Rose is uploading a new uni vlog, so I want to watch that. But yeah. So I didn't actually end up filmed a nighttime routine tonight because I just got distracted for like 2 hours. And it's now, I think it's nearly 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's 5 to 9. So I think I'm gonna have like a really relaxing shower. I might try and edit a bit of this video just while my phone's charging a bit, or just at least import the footage. Then I'm gonna come out, you know, prep my skin, do all of that, get into bed and start my new book, because I live a very exciting life on a Friday night. Literally though, that's how exciting my life is. I'm literally looking forward to this, and then get an early night because I've got work tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking though, so we'll see how that goes. I don't want to get to bed too late though. Do not like late nights, so I think I'm going to import the footage. And yeah, so this is currently what I look like, but I'm going to go to sleep now. I look ridiculous. I'm going to go to sleep now, and I will speak to you again soon.